The book I chose for my book talk is Conceal, Don't Feel by Calonita. Conceal, Don't Feel was written as a part of a Disney book series called Twisted Tales. This series is based around alternate what-if spins on familiar Disney stories. Calonita, the author of Conceal, Don't Feel, joined in on the fun among many other authors to contribute to this interesting book series. Conceal, Don't Feel is based off the Disney story Frozen. Frozen tells the story of a fearless princess named Anna who sets off on a journey alongside an Iceman and his reindeer to find her sister Elsa, who is the queen. Queen Elsa has run away after her icy magic has trapped their kingdom of Arendelle in a lasting winter. But what if Elsa and Anna never knew each other? Conceal, Don't Feel is a reinvented fairy tale where instead of growing up together after their icy accident as children, Anna and Elsa were separated for their safety. Princess Elsa grew up lonely in the castle with no one to play with. After overhearing a conversation between her parents, she realizes that there might be a concerning secret regarding magic in a young girl that her parents have been hiding her whole life. After the sudden and unexpected death of her parents, Elsa is left without answers. Very quickly, her icy powers are revealed to her, and she begins to realize that maybe there is a connection to her uncontrollable icy powers and her parents' secrets. After visiting the castle attic following the death of her parents, Elsa discovers two legacy trunks. One with an E painted on it for Elsa, but she doesn't find just one. She finds a second with an A painted on it. Could this be the girl her parents were keeping a secret about? Who was this girl? Elsa can just not let it go. After waking up to a concerning dream, or maybe it was a vision, of her long-lost sister, Elsa begins frantically searching for someone named Anna that she believes is her long-lost sister. The search consumes her time and energy and leaves her with no time to think about her upcoming coronation to become Queen of Arendelle. After a magical mishap on the day of her coronation, Elsa decides to leave her throne at Arendelle and search for her long-lost sister. She quickly realizes that the extent of her powers and that she no longer needs to conceal, but now she can feel. It may be an icy, freezing winter, but the cold never bothered her anyway. Will Elsa ever find her long-lost sister? Is her sister even still alive? You can find out if you read this magical and upbeat novel.